Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shout out especially kay Ma'am Carla. Okay, Ma'am Carla, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit po, Glock 17 na tan. Okay, tan frame, black slide. This is the Glock 17 tan frame, black slide. Ayan. This is Gen 4. Ayan. Yung sight. Okay. Rear serrations. Sa front, walang serrations. Ayan, with markings. 17, tactical, 9x19. Made in Taiwan, WE. Ayan. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng accessories, like flashlight. Ayan. Katulad nung nakikita nyo sa likod. Ayan, ito yung flashlight. Ayan, pwede siyang installan. Pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng red dot sight. Ayan, katulad nung nakikita nyo dyan sa likod. Yan yung red dot sight. Ayan, yan yung pwedeng ilagay. Okay, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga attachments. Okay. And then, meron siyang back strap. Dalawang back strap included. Ito yung kanyang pin. Ito yung owner's manual. At ito yung free na BBs. 4,000 shots. BBs. Yan, free. And free na rin siyang gas. Green gas. Standard power. Number 12. Free na po ito. Okay. So, ngayon, lagyan natin ng gas. Okay. Lagyan natin ng bibis. Okay. Okay, so now magte-test part tayo ng unit. Glock 17 tan frame black slide. Yan, unit ni Ma'am Carla. Okay, test part po. Unit nyo, Ma'am Carla. Glock 17 tan frame black slide. Okay, firing. Ready to fire. Firing. Okay, open slide. Release magazine. Hat up with you. Hammer down. Okay, okay na pong unit nyo, Ma'am Carla. Thank you for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. If you have more questions, just message us on our Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you po and have a nice day.